Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Roblox Studio and load the exact place you will edit. Once done, enable API services in game settings so data stores are accessible, and install the Datastore Editor plugin if you haven't. You should sign in and immediately make a backup copy of the place to avoid accidental data loss. These steps let you safely connect the editor to live keys and avoid common permission or version mismatches when you begin You now inspect and edit entries. Open the Datastore Editor, choose the Datastore, scope, and the key you want to modify. Use the JSON view for structured data and the built-in filters to find nested fields quickly. Preview changes before committing so you can validate formatting. Because data stores are live, make edits using transaction-aware patterns. Test changes on a staging copy and avoid overwriting by reading, modifying, then saving atomically. This prevents partial updates and keeps player data consistent. You finish by committing and verifying changes. Save with explicit notes and watch the editor logs for immediate errors. Once saved, run in-game tests using a test account to confirm values replicate to the server and clients as expected. Make sure to test edge cases like concurrent writes. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup, check JSON syntax and types, and rerun the transaction after fixing the root issue. This workflow keeps live player data safe and auditable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.